Here's a walkthrough of the functionality of our plant nursery system. First we have our moisture sensor here, which is two probes that are connected to the Arduino up here. These two probes are a set distance apart, and that allows us to measure the resistance in the soil. With more moisture in the soil, there will be less resistance, and with the drier soil, there will be more resistance. These wires go to the breadboard up here, where they're connected to the input of the Arduino, and that allows us to monitor the values that we are receiving from the moisture sensor. That moisture sensor controls the solenoid valve on the back here, which allows us to turn on the valve when there is dry soil to water the plants. As you can see, the moisture sensor is in the dry soil, and the water is running from the solenoid valve. We also have on the front our light photoresistor, our light sensor. When this gets darker, the LED lights turn on, and that provides light for the plants to grow. Finally, we have our temperature sensor here, which allows us to monitor the temperature of the plant environment. Right now the temperature is a little bit cold, and when you warm it up it becomes green, indicating that it's a good temperature. Warming it up further will indicate red, as you can see there.
Let's get a quick shot of what happens when the sun dies away in the evening. As you can see, the light on the top indicates that it is still at a good temperature, but the growing lights have turned on and will illuminate the plant at night. For setup of this plant nursery, it is ideal to have the moisture sensor probes submerged completely in the plant and securely, so that if the system is jostled, they don't accidentally fall out. It is also important to have enough water in the vessel above, supplying enough pressure to the system so that the solenoid valve will work. And it is important to monitor your circuit every once in a while to make sure nothing's turned off, and plants require a good deal of human monitoring, even with all of this great technology that we've come to know and love. So right now we are powering the circuit with a laptop, but that can be powered, the Arduino, which controls everything, can easily be powered by a 9-volt battery or some other type of battery, or something else through a power supply. So this circuit is just a good example of some simple things that you can do with an Arduino and basic electronics to keep your plants alive and healthy. Thanks.